Hey guys, I'm Chef Dells and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mango pie. And remember to look out for the tips towards the end of the video. Let's begin with the pastry dough. I have 230 grams of flour, to which I have added 15 grams of caster sugar. Now let's give these a little mix. Add 115 grams of cold butter. Then work the butter into the flour with your fingers till you get a sand-like texture. Just like this. Add 2 beaten eggs to this and bring the dough together. Make sure you use only your fingers and not your palms to prevent the butter from melting. So guys, the dough will look a little cracked on the surface, which is absolutely fine. Do not get tempted to knead it. Now divide the dough into 2 pieces, one large and one small, and cling wrap them and freeze them for at least 20 minutes or till you need to use them. Now let's move on to the filling. Here I have 3 mangoes already cubed up, 3/4 of which I am going to start cooking on a low heat. Add about 60 ml of dark rum and continue cooking till most of the liquid evaporates and you get a chunky mango paste just like this. Transfer the mango paste to a bowl. Add the remaining mangoes. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now mix it well and allow it to cool to room temperature before using it. So guys, I'm going to be using a loose bottomed cake tin, but feel free to use either a Pyrex dish or any other dish that you have. Begin to roll out the larger piece of your dough on a flat surface. Roll it out till about 1/4 centimeters in thickness. Don't be afraid to use a little extra flour if required to prevent the dough from sticking. Then use a fork to prick the entire surface of the dough. This is known as docking, to prevent the dough from rising too much in the oven. Cut the dough according to the size of your baking mold or dish and line it with the dough. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Transfer the mango filling to the baked pastry tart and spread the filling evenly. Egg wash the edges of the pastry tart. Use the smaller piece of the dough to make thin 1/2 centimeter wide strips to make a trellis on top of the pie. Use a paring knife to trim off the excess pieces of dough. Then egg wash the top of the pie and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for another 40 to 45 minutes. Hey guys, a few tips for this recipe. Make sure your butter is ice cold when you're incorporating it into the flour. Otherwise, it will not form into that sandy texture which you want. And make sure you use only your fingertips when you are bringing the dough together. Because if you use your palm and you knead the dough, the heat from your palm will melt all the butter and the dough itself does not really need any kneading. Okay. Another tip is make sure your mangoes do not stick to the pan when you're cooking them. And finally, do not over egg wash your pie because it would cause it to color very fast without getting cooked. If you haven't already subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button below, and you can even follow me on Instagram at chef_dells. Now let's get back to the recipe. Once the pie is baked, allow it to cool to room temperature. Serve the pie slightly warm on its own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So guys, the recipe for the video is in the description below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for some more easy recipes.